Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach third standard class. Keep safe. What? Keep safe. Already I have taken in previous classes, but I am going to continue from here. In page number 162. Page number 162. Open, children. Take pencil also. Open. Safety in a playground. Safety in a school over, bus over, on the road over. Now come to playground. Safety in the playground. You must follow these safety rules in the playground. What? You must follow some safety rules in the playground so that you and your friends are safe. You and your friends are safe. By following some safety rules, you and your friends must save. First one, listen carefully. First one, while playing, always follow rules of the game. Do not play rough games. Understood? While playing, always follow the play rules. You have to follow the play rules. Do not play rough games. Second one, while playing at the swing, merry-go-round or the seesaw, do not push each other. Wait for your turn. Your turn will come slow. Up to that, you have to wait. Don't push and pull and play. Understood? Swing, seesaw, merry-go-round, like this. Understood? These two are very important safety rules you must follow in the playground. First one is while playing, you have to follow the rules of the play, rules of the game. Rules of the game. And you have to do not go to play rough games. First one, rough games you should not play, and you should play the games, rules of the games. First rule. Second rule, while playing swing and seesaw, merry-go around while you playing in the playground. Do not push and pull. Understood? Two, you have to keep in your mind while playing. You and your friend will share. Okay? And multiple choice questions are there, no? See here. Take pencil and take which one is correct, which one is wrong. Leave it, otherwise we put wrong symbol like this. Or take like this. Understood? First one, in a bus we must keep dash. In a bus we must keep dash. Dancing, first option. Dancing, second option. Disturbing the driver, quiet. What we have to do? In a bus we must keep quiet. Quiet means we should not talk. Keep quiet. First one is, third one is answer. C is the answer. First one. Second one, you cross the road when the pedestrian traffic light is dash. While crossing the road, three lights are there, no, red, yellow, green. Lights are there, no, you know about traffic lights. Okay. When will come about that light, I will explain you. First listen only. Crossing the road when the pedestrian traffic light is dash. While traveling, you are walking on the road, no. When which light will come? Red light, green light, blue light. Which light will come? Green light. Your answer is green. Understood? First one answer is quiet. Option C. Second one option. Second one B option, green. Understood? Okay. Safety at home. You have to take some safety rules while playing or in the home. You must follow these safety rules at the home. While in the home or playing in the home, you must take some safety rules. First one, never play with the sharp objects like blade, knives and scissors. They can cut your skin. Never play with the sharp objects like blades, knives and scissors. Use them only in presence of an adult. Use only when your mother or father, sister, they are present, no, then only you use. Second one, do not touch electric wires, plugs, shocks, sockets, hot iron or heater. They can give you an electric shock. Do not touch. You should not touch electric wires, plugs, sockets, hot irons or heaters in your home. They will make electric shock. Third one, do not play with matchstick or fire. Do not play with matchstick or fire. They can burn your skin. Fourth one, never touch the gas stove and the hot plate or keep into any utensils or stove in the kitchen. Never touch gas stoves and hot plates and vessels. After cooking finish, now they are taken into vessel. They are keeping, then only touch. Before keeping in a vessel like this on the gas only, you should not touch the gas stove, hot gas stove and hot vessels on the gas. Okay, they will burn your skin. Do not run down on steps. You should not run down on the steps when you are walking. No, down. Do not run. Always you should not run. You should walk. Steps. You may fall down and hurt yourself. You may be fall down while walking. So you should walk slowly. These are the some figures that they are given. What electric shock will get? If your finger will keep in a electric plug, you hold, that shock will come. No, see in the figure. Do not touch electric shocks. First one, that is not correct way. No, so they given wrong way. Do not touch the hot iron. Iron box is very hot, no? Do not touch. Second option is not, it is not correct, no? Wrong way. Third one, do not play with the fire. It is also wrong, no? You should not play with the fire. It will burn your skin, no? So wrong. Next, turn the page. Never climb on window or sleeves, shelves. You may fall down and hurt yourself. You should not climb on the window shelves while you may be fall down. Never play your toys on the floor. You may trip over them and fall down. While you are playing, you keep step on a small car and you want to take something in a home. No, you may be fall down, no. So you should not play with the small toys. On that you should not play. You should take and play. On that you keeping your foot or step, you should not play like this. Do not climb a shelf like this. And do not leave toys on the floor. You should not on the floor. You should not throw the toys, and you should not step it on this, and you may be fall down. No, like so. Safety in the classroom. You should take very important safety in the classroom. You must follow this safety rules in the classroom, and now I am going to read. You listen carefully. Never push anybody or throw things at anyone, even in fun. Anybody you are making fun now, you should not throw the things on them, and you should not push and pull anyone in the classroom. Second one, do not jump on the desk. You should not jump on the desk. No, this is desk. You should not jump. Or run round in the class. You should not run on the class. You may fall down and hurt yourself. No. See in the figure also they are given. Do not push anyone even in fun. Do not jump on the desk. See. Do not use a blade or a sharp your pencil. You should not use a blade to sharp your pencil. Only you have to use sharpener to sharp a pencil. Sharp your pencil with the sharpener only. Do not hang or swing on window. You should not swing, jump on the window. See here, you should sharp. Do not sharp with the sharp knives. Blades are there. You should not do like this. You should sharp with the sharpness only, and you should not jump and play swing on the keeping window. Understood? Always sharp your pencil with the sharpener. Never use blade. Next, never run or strain from line while walking on the stair. Do not hang or swing on the window. I told already, no, that you have to keep in your mind in a classroom. These are some safety rules. Next, and now any of our friends get hurt, we must keep calm and immediately tell to adults. Our teachers in class, in school, or parents at home are always there to help us. In teachers in the classroom and parents in the home, they will help. No, if anyone have fall down means you should not laugh. You should keep quiet, calm, and you go to your adults and tell. They will help you definitely. They give us first aid when we are injured. They will give first aid when you are injured. The first aid box at home or school should have bandages. They have bandages, antiseptic lotion, band-aid, cotton, antiseptic cream, scissors, painkiller tablets, etc. This consists of first aid box. What? Bandages, antiseptic lotion, band-aid, cotton, antiseptic cream, scissors, painkiller tablets, etc. You can keep in first aid box. It consists of first aid box, these things. If you wound or cut in a small, we should first wash it with the water. If you are cut your finger, nail, you should wash. You may be fall down while running. Now first you wash it on that place. Then clean the area with a cotton and antiseptic lotion. Clean that part. Then tie band-aid or clean cloth over the wound. Over the wound, you should cover with a clean cloth. When we get a burn, we must immediately put the burnt area under a cold water or apply ice. When our fingers or anything is burnt, we should clean with the immediately we should complete clean with the cold water and apply ice on it. See, multiple choice questions here is also given. Tick the correct answers. We should not touch dash. Options are given: pencil box, A1 pencil box, B1 hot irons, third one C1 water taps. You should hot irons. You should not touch. First one, second one, B1 is option. Second one, the first aid box should have dash. First option, bandage. Second, hammer. Screw nail. Which one? Bandage. First aid box should have dash. Bandage. A1 is correct option. So you have to take. For first one, second one is correct. B1 is correct option. For second one, A1 is correct option. Next, which number should be dilated in case of any emergency to call police or a fire brigade or ambulance? You should always keep in the mind numbers. Number you should call, no? So you should keep ambulance number, call police, fire bridge, that numbers. Police number, ambulance number, fire brigade number. Okay, always keep in your mind numbers. Next, keywords are given, some safety rules are given, and these are very important and useful. So I am reading safety rules. Rules that have to follow, avoid accidents. What are safety rules? You have to follow rules and regulations to avoid some accidents. Next, subway, underground passage to cross the road. While crossing the road, so many subways are there, no? Those are called subways. First aid, first help given to an injured person is called first aid. First aid box, a box that has an antiseptic lotion like Dettol or Savlon, bandages, cotton, painkiller tablets, antiseptic cream, etc. This first aid box consists these items. What? Once again I am going to read. Dettol, antiseptic lotion, Savlon, bandages, cotton, painkiller tablets, antiseptic cream, etc. You have to next. You have to given there some point. You have to keep in your mind. See here, next, completed our lesson, no? Next, you have to give oral answer. How many of you understood, no? I want to test. So, I am asking some questions. Take about 2 safety rules that you followed today while coming to school. What safety rules you have followed while coming to school? You always keep quiet while coming to school. Keep quiet. Go in a queue in a bus and sitting in a bus. Keep quiet. Go in a queue. Don't keep your head. Don't see like this to window while moving the bus. These are some safety rules. Next, why should we not play on the road? We should not play on the road. If the accidents may happen, no? So we should not play. Next, which side of the road? Zebra crossing. We have to go safely, silent. Go in a subway while walking on the road. Name of any 2 things that are kept in a first aid box. Savlon, you may write Dettol, you may write cotton bandages, you may write antiseptic lotion, painkiller tablets, etc. Next, tick the correct options. Options are given, question is given. I am going to read. We should walk on the dash. Options: road, footpath, road drive, road divider, road divider. Where? Footpath. We should walk on the footpath. First one, B1. Footpath. B1. Second option is correct. Footpath. You have to fill footpath. Second one. We should sharpen our pencil with the dash. Option: knife, blade, sharpener. Which one is correct? We sharpen our pencil with the sharpener. For second one, third one is C1 is the right option. Third one. We should use dash to cross the road. First option, subway, over the bridge. In any of these is correct. Subway we can go, no. Over the bridge we can walk. So we should use any of these. They are given, no. Third option C, that is correct. Second option is correct. Second one, third option is correct. For third one, third option is correct. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks. First one, we must cross the road only at the dash. The given option, footpath, zebra crossing. We have to cross the road on the only zebra crossing. What we have to fill? Zebra crossing. Second one, we should not run on the stairs. Stairs you are walking, no. While walking on the steps, no. Should not run stairs. First one is correct. We must not dash anybody in a fun, happy or push. Don't push anybody. We must not push anybody. Fourth, when we get a small wound, we should first wash with the clean water. First one is zebra crossing. In first dash you have to fill zebra crossing. Second, you have to stairs. While walking, you should not run. And third one is push, dashes. Fourth one is water. Understood? Next class I will do this one. And up to here I finished. No, take pencil and write all this with the help of your parents or your mother or anybody, your friends. Okay? Thank you, children. Now, content words. Take some content words and write quickly. Quiet, color, safety, zebra, subway, riding, cross, electric, leave, climb, floor, jump, burnt, wash. 2 times write content words. These are all content words of this lesson. Keep safe in this lesson. These are some content words I am given. Once again I am going to read. Quiet, color, safety, zebra, subway, riding, cross, electric, leave, climb, floor, jump, burnt, wash. Write 2 times. Write how many times? 2 times. Write 2 times. Understood? Write 2 times. This content was. Thank you, children.